All right, although this is your master volume control for your 61 Fender Deluxe, this will be part of a Lar-Mar arrangement. This is going to replace your grid leak resistors. We're going to have a pair of these wires going to them where they used to terminate. On the board, this black wire will go at the junction. And then these yellow wires will go to the grids of your output tubes. And everything's shielded except for this black wire here. And then you can see that the shields were terminated to the rear pot casing. And then that's brought up via a piece of bus wire for some redundancy over to this little ring terminal, which will act as a tooth washer. So it's going to replace this and perform the same function. You can see the raised elements there on the sides. So a lot of people wonder why amp tech charges are as they are. Sometimes we're expensive. It's because this is incredibly labor intensive. To do something like this of any quality is going to be incredibly labor intensive. But isn't it satisfying to look at? And it's going to be a really great addition to that amp since you're wanting overdrive at a lower volume. So I'm incredibly happy. I do have to spray this with a little more isopropyl alcohol and do a little more scrubbing just to get some of the flux off that's remaining. But otherwise, this one's ready to be installed. And of course, I'm going to have to trim these to length and then make up the ends of these cables as well. These will not be going to ground. This is the only ground for this here. And again, we've baked in a little bit of redundancy. So hopefully tomorrow, that'll wrap it up. And here we are, not too harrowing a journey over to their destination, which will be right there in the center of the shot. All right, now I got to get these grid leads out of the board. So you can see I've evacuated all the solder from these joints here. And now, in order to relieve some tension from this side of the board, I'm just going to remove this little guy. Pardon my hairy knuckles there. And I should be able to gently pull these two guys here free. I say gently, but it's not always the case. These, if left in place, will act like antennas and cause very bad things to happen. So we're going to go ahead and remove these from here, then we can finish wiring up our master volume. All right. It's worth staying up to midnight for this kind of stuff. Look at that. I gotta clean up that flux, but what do you think? I think it came out pretty nice. So pardon the jerky camera movements. So all we gotta do now is throw this guy on there and then do some testing.